Let's start about research methodology. What is research or what is research methodology? Define research. Give a suitable definition of research and research methodology. Research can be defined as the search for knowledge or is any systematic investigation to establish facts, or it is an original and systematic investigation undertaking to increase existing knowledge and understanding of the known to establish facts and principles. Research is a scientific approach to answering a research question, solving a research problem, or generating new knowledge through a systematic and orderly collection, organization, and analysis of data to make research findings useful in decision making. There are different characteristics of research. The main characteristics of all types of the research are: number one, the research should focus on priority problems. Number second, the research should be systematic. It emphasizes that a researcher should imply a structured procedure. Third, the research should be logical. Without manipulating ideas logically, the scientific researcher cannot make much progress in any investigation. Number four characteristic is that the research should be reductive. This means that one researcher's findings should be made available to other researchers to prevent them from repeating the same research. Number five characteristics. The research should be replicable. This asserts that there should be scope to confirm previous research findings in a new environment and different settings with a new group of subjects or at a different point in time. Number six characteristics. The research should be generative. This is one of the valuable characteristics of research because answering one question leads to generating many other new questions. Number seven characteristics. The research should be action-oriented. In other words, it should be aimed at solving to implement its findings. Number eight characteristics of research. The research should follow an integrated multidisciplinary approach. That research approaches from more than one discipline are needed. Number nine characteristics of the research methodology. The research should be participatory, involving all parties concerned from policymakers down to community members at all stages of the study. Number 10, the research must be relatively simple, timely, and time-bound, implying a comparatively simple design. Number 11, the characteristics. The research must be as much cost-effective as possible. Number 12 characteristic of the research is that the research results should be presented in formats most useful for administrators, decision makers, business managers, or community members. So we can call the results should be presented, means the characteristics are the accurate format, cost effective, and time bound. Research should be involving all participants. It should be integrated. It should be action oriented. It should be the priority of the problem. The research should be systematic. Research should be logical. Research should be reductive. Research should be replicable. And lastly, the research should be generative.